Alright, so this is a game called I Remember the Rain. I know nothing about it and I just realized that my cat is in my window. Hi buddy. How you doing? You doing good? Just go ahead and keep looking out the window. Anyway, press space. Arrows to move and press space. Got it. That night. This looks pretty neat. I think it said that this is based in New Zealand in the course of like a week. So yeah, this looks really nice considering it only took like a week.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain. Thousands of tiny razors against my skin.
Keep back. The ambulance will be here.
Hold on.
I almost bled to death, but I couldn't. I had to find you. And when I did, I almost wished that I hadn't.
Oh, what? What's going on? The waiting room. Seriously, what's going on right now? This is pretty sad.
I sat there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said and how I could have changed it.
I gotta let my cat out real quick. Alright, back to what I was doing. Let's see. Should I just talk to someone, I guess?
Just have to wait like the rest of them.
I've been waiting here for days.
Wow.
The doctor said he was only sleeping.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing more we could have done.
What is going on? Seriously, what is going on? What is this game? What is this game? It's so depressing.
May your memories give you strength.
Oh.
We live in the hearts of those we leave behind.
Why are they being so depressing?
Do we really go to a better place?
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day? So many words I wanted to say. I spoke to them, but I said them to you.
What? What? That was depressing. Oh, there's more. Wait.
I can't fucking do it.
What? You don't have to die to be dead. My god, why is this game so depressing? Jesus.
I've learned to live without you, but still, sometimes I wish that I was the one that died.
Whoa, what? What is going on?
I wish that it was me in that car, and you in that radio.
That it was you standing here now. But it isn't like that. I'd give it all for you if I could.
What the shit? What did I just... What? That was depressing. What did I just play?
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain.
What the fuck did I just play? I don't even know what just happened. Wow, that was sad. Huh. Wow. That's all I can really say is just wow. Huh. So that was I Remember the Rain. Ended kind of fast, if you ask me. I mean, just wow, that was super sad. All right, I guess see you guys next video.